Today we're taking apart a ZTE Optus X Plus. The ZTE Optus X Plus is an entry-level smartphone released by ZTE in partnership with the Australian telecommunications provider, Optus. It is an affordable 4 grams device locked to the Optus network. Let's power it off first. Then use a SIM tool to pop out the card tray. This back cover uses a clip-on design, so no heat is needed here. Use a pry tool or a thin blade to open a gap. Work your way around and release all the clips. Alright, back cover is off. These metal strips you see around the frame are the antennas. This is our magnetic mat, very handy when screws start multiplying. There are 12 screws here in total. Don't miss this sneaky one hiding in the corner. Disconnect the battery connector first. Remove the shield over the subboard. Now let's get the battery out. Use a metal pry tool from the sides to lift the battery. We're not using alcohol this time because the phone uses an LCD screen. If alcohol leaks in, it can leave watermarks that permanently damage the display. So the only safe option is heat loosen the adhesive the classic way. Best to pry from both sides to balance the pressure. This battery is seriously stubborn. Not even a wiggle. Let's heat it a bit more. Back to prying. And finally, some movement. Alright, battery is out. Let's disconnect these flex cables. For the mainboard, there are 2 more screws here. This cable is the coaxial line running down to the subboard. This is the bottom loudspeaker. And this is the earpiece. Everything's now completely removed. Here's a quick family photo of all the parts lined up. That's the teardown done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.